So we need to use Bidmas here. So every single time I get a calculation, I'm going to go through this checklist. Are there any brackets? No. So I've sorted that one. Are there any indices? Yes. Here's an indice here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the whole thing out, but changing the indices part. So it's 11, add 11, take away, now 6 squared, so I'm going to work that out now because it's an indice. 6 times 6 is 36, divided by 2. Are there any other indices? No, I'm done. So now I'm going to look, is there any division? Yes, there is. So let's highlight the division, which is here. So now I'm going to think, I'm going to write exactly the same, 11, add 11, but I'm going to do this division. So take away 36 divided by 2 is 18. Now division and multiplication actually came at the same time. There's no multiplication anyway. Addition and subtraction also comes at the same time, which means that whenever you get an addition and subtraction in one calculation, you take them at the same time, which means that you read them left to right. So now I'm going to do 11 add 11 is 22, take away 18, which is 4.